Yeah, we reached this rest area. This along the, actually we finished already the highway.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Yeah, this is on the way to Canberra, going to Yakoma. Yeah, and I stopped here because I've been driving for 3 hours. 6:45 I start, 7:45, 8:45. The time now is 9:35. I actually bought a coffee in Pudarama, in the convenience store near the Burger King, no, Hungry Jack's. And this is still hot, and I'm going to eat some chocolate. Oh, let me show you the battery. So I have been driving for almost 3 hours, and it is now 40%. The input is 99 watts. I'm actually going to stay here a little bit longer, and so I'm going to unplug it. It is plugged here in the 12 volts outlet. How much battery I have? I have 13.3. This is how this rest area looks like. Yeah, there's actually some picnic table. The name is John Mackay Rest Area. This is actually delicious. This Tim Tam. Yeah, this is original Australian. Going to change the jacket because I feel not comfortable wearing that one. I feel like the people knows that I did not take a shower for 2 days. Yeah, I'm going to the gym later, or yeah, go to the gym later. I'll take a shower. But I'm going to walk around first in the area. I feel like I was sitting the whole day yesterday. Yeah, because actually I had a video that I need to finish. Yeah, for the client. Yeah, for the client. So basically there is one company asked me to make a blog about their product, and so I finished that yesterday, and I was sitting the whole day, yeah, editing, finishing that video, that blog. Yeah, and I was able to make a drop of it and send it to them. Yeah, and yeah, it's not good to be sitting the whole day. Yeah, and actually just now I am standing straight like this. Also never been to the gym for a week now, but I actually did swim in Manly. There is a cheap, actually affordable swimming lesson in Manly Aquatic Center. Yeah, compared to the private swimming lesson, it will cost at least $50. But in Manly, yeah, they have a scheduled swimming lesson for adults. Yeah, you can check their website and you see the schedule. It costs just $25. Oh, there is a Suzuki Jimny. Oh, I'm going to give him the keyhole cover. I still have a lot. This maybe is a fire trail because there's a barrier. Yeah, I just give to the guy. He said to me, oh, beauty. Beauty. There's a kind of river over that side. Some cows over that side. Black cow. Yeah, private property. Oh, this is Illawarra Highway. It is written over there. I heard from some story that if you build a house in one land and no one touch you or no one notice you for 20 years or how long years, that land is going to be yours. I don't know. I don't know. I heard it from somewhere. Okay, that's it. I'm going back now. And I am still here in the rest area. I am uploading a video. I already booked a place to stay for tonight. It's a camping ground near the area, but yeah, it's secluded and there's no internet connection. That's why I'm trying to finish uploading this video. While waiting, I'm going to cook the leftover mixed vegetable. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I was able to upload the video and now I can go. Amazing. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I slept last night. Yeah, the name of the place is Borgonya, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I remember. So basically this camping ground is here in the town of Borgonya, on the way going to Goulburn here in New South Wales. Yeah, there are several camping sites. This is like a loop, and along the loop there are different spot or camping site. And then this is the main camping ground. Yeah, there are some tables. There is actually a shower, hot shower over that side. Yeah, shower, toilet. This camping ground is a public. I mean, it is owned by the government, by the New South Wales National Parks. And to book this, you need to go to the website of New South Wales National Parks. This overnight stay cost me $24. I am not sure, but I think before, camping in the national park is free of charge. And then during the COVID, yeah, they started to have all the camping grounds to be paid. Yeah, I'm going to leave this place now. Yeah, my hand is numb now. Wearing these socks is not enough. You have to stay on the floor. It's too cold. But yeah, having these socks, this thick socks, yeah, it's just the right one. But this, no, this is too cold. After 1.1 kilometer of driving, yeah, I reached this place. Yeah, the name of this place is actually Bungonya, not Borgonya. And this place is actually a picnic area. As you can see, there's this table, water supply coming from the roof. Yeah, a big tank. And then there is this barbecue place. And this is a lookout. The name is Adams Lookout. There is a proper walkway. Adams Lookout. Look at those rock formation. And a little preview of it. Yeah, this is similar to those view in the Blue Mountains. Okay, this is it. This is the proper lookout. This is how it is. Whoa. Yeah, it's scary, amazing. Look at that. It's very deep. In those trees, very small, it's unbelievable. And it's a river down there. Yeah, we are in the same level of the clouds, all the way to the sky. But yeah, if you notice up there, there's no trees, it's bald. A lot of place actually, that side, and I can see some like new housing development. I'm not really sure. It is covered a little bit by clouds. There is a stairway here. I don't know what is that sound. Maybe there is a river, water flowing down there, or it's just a wind, or maybe a pulse. I'm not sure. But yeah, but this area, this one is really scary, very deep. And there is like the split mountain. I believe that there is a walking trail down there. Yeah, amazing. I don't know. Really amazing. Wearing a gloves will be more comfortable. There's another picnic area here. The toilet, picnic tables, and yeah, barbecue place. Another picnic area. The name is David Reed. So yeah, there are different picnic grounds in the area. Lots of parking, just like this. And yeah, this is the lockdown or lockdown. We're going to read it there somewhere again later. Molly O'Neill Nature Walk. The remarkable legacy of Molly O'Neill OAM. This is the lookout. Yeah, the mountain is actually totally covered by clouds. And look on down there, it's really scary. Yeah. Yeah, so basically this place was before a mining site. Actually that area is still a mining, but it says here that the limestone sourced from this mine has been used to produce many iconic Australian buildings, including the Sydney Opera House. And then once the mining is finished, they rehabilitated the place and planted a lot of trees, and this is how it is now. Oh, that's good. Aside from that side, there is actually another one here. Yeah, this one is actually one straight very narrow place like this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is much scarier. Look at that. I can see what is down there. That river looks like no water. I don't know. Yeah, so this is a mining site before. They just rehabilitated it, planting trees. And this is how it is now. So therefore I conclude that most of the places that is similar to this, I would say that they are probably a mining site before. That's good. Yeah, it's good to see places.